Welcome to Sarap na Sulit series, where we feature classy meals and sulit deals. Today, we're at Albano's Steakhouse, mezzanine level of Arden Hills Suites, Scout Albano, Quezon City. They're open 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. and I booked via Eatigo. They started with complimentary bread, soft and surprisingly good. Had the truffle mushroom soup, creamy with a strong truffle flavor which I really like. Medyo maalat lang for me. Then their polpette, pasta with red sauce, bread, and meatballs na may mozzarella sa loob. Cheesy surprise, sulit for solo diners. I also ordered barbecue hoisin baby back ribs, sweet and mildly spicy. Though some parts were tough. No rice, just corn on the side. Got a pink lemonade too, light and refreshing. Pero not included sa Eatigo discount to ha. But don't you worry, their staff will let you know kung ano lang ang covered. Want discounts like this? Just open Eatigo, search for Albanos, pick your time and number of diners, and get up to 50% off. Follow for the next classy meals, sulit deals.